All right, guys, I got my candle, got my little plants, got a nice little setup for you guys. I feel like I am definitely did not turn my phone off. Someone is definitely texting me. I'm gonna silence that, but thank you for tuning on in. Okay, so phone is off. What a nice introduction. If you're new, hi, I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. We talk a lot about makeup and fashion and beauty and all that. Oh my God, all right. I got my candle. I've got my plant. I feel like I'm very YouTube official right now. So let's go ahead and get this video started. All right. Hey guys, so I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. I talk a lot about beauty and fashion and makeup, and I do tutorials and product reviews and all that good stuff. So if you're new, hi, thanks for tuning on in. And if you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thanks for coming on back. I've always got my little dance for y'all because I appreciate it. But yeah, so thank you for supporting me across all of my platforms, including this one. So don't forget to leave a comment if there's anything you want to talk about. Share this video with people that might enjoy it and give it a thumbs up so it lets me know that you guys enjoy this content and want to see more of it. All right, I feel like I look so good right now. I also have my technology information down below. So yes, I've done a little bit of shopping, not too much. I'm trying to be very cognizant of the fact that I'm going to a convention in a couple of days. I don't know if this is gonna be up before or after, but I'm going to Gym Beauty, so I will try my best to vlog it and show you like the swag bag and all that stuff. But there were a few things that I needed to pick up, so I wanted to make more of an affordable haul video. I didn't go out of my way just to buy this stuff, but I ended up getting it at places that are pretty affordable. So I'm just gonna walk you guys through what I picked up this morning. Right, so item number one, I actually have it on my face now, and I just did a quick wear test at my vanity. This is by LA Girl. It's the Pro Matte Foundation. I was really surprised. So the CVS near me actually had some of the darker shades, and so I picked up this one. It does have, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Dance for me. All right, I'm just kidding. All right, my nails are super chipped, but they're Chanel. I'm sorry. Oh, and my top is H&M. Okay, anywho, so yeah, it's probably not gonna focus. It probably hates my nails. Okay, y'all bear with me. I'm trying. Hi. I have to learn how to use technology. Okay, so side note, I filmed so many blurry videos, like I'm still figuring out how to use this camera. But yeah, and you guys can at least see the shade. It's a frosted bottle. It's the shade Caramel. I've got it on right now, so it's a little light considering we're not really in fall, but I think it'll be good for fall, winter. So if you check out that video, it looks wretched when I put it on. All of my foundations do that, so if you're not new, do not be alarmed. That's just kind of how it goes. So I do put pictures in that video as well, so you guys can see what I see when I turn off the camera. All right, so I do like this so far. I got a microdermabrasion treatment yesterday, so I'm gonna take this makeup off pretty quickly. It is burning my face a little bit, but I think that's because of the beauty treatment I did, not necessarily because of this foundation. All right, so that's item number one. I'm also gonna pick, what's the other thing? I've got like a little table right here that y'all can't see. Okay, so anywho, we're gonna pick up the next thing that I got from CVS. Oh yeah, I should say I got this from CVS. And here's the other thing I got from CVS. So this is a pair of cuticle scissors. They're not for my cuticles. So I actually need something for my brows so I like don't have any on. So yeah, I have a pair of scissors that I use now, but it's hard to like trim them the way I want to trim them. So they had all kinds of scissors, and the cuticle ones looked like the pointiest. I don't know. I don't know scissor terms, but yeah, it looked like it was the pointiest. So I'm really excited to try these out. It's like kind of the tail part, like after the arch, as I look at myself to make sure I'm pointing to the right thing. So yeah, it's like right here. That's where I have issues just trying to like trim them as close to my eyebrow as possible. So hoping these work. Stick around. On my Instagram, I'll probably like show you guys like what my opinions are, and at some point I'll do a product review. So yeah, I'll put my opinions there. I don't know what to do next. Okay, all right, I'm good. Okay, so next we're gonna do Target. So yeah, I picked up one thing at a Target. Okay, so if you've ever moved before, I moved a couple weeks ago at the beginning of September, and I can't find anything. And everything is put away, which means I'm like kind of screwed. I don't know where any of my stuff is. I like 2 days ago, 2 days ago, y'all, went and got my toenail clippers, and then now they've magically disappeared, and I have no idea where they are. So I was super fed up today, and I went to Target and I got some new ones. So this is by Japonesque. I think that's the brand. I'm sorry, it's just not gonna focus. Let's see. All right, I'm still figuring out how to focus. Y'all forgive me. Anywho, it is a nail clipper and a toenail clipper. To be honest, I really don't care about the curvature. I know one is better than the other. I think the more curved one is for your fingernails. Yeah, it didn't really say. And then I think the less curved one, which is this one. Oh, it's focused. Hey! All right, sorry. This is super exciting, and now it's gone. Yeah, so this is for your toenails, and this is for your fingernails. Like I said, y'all forgive the nail polish. I actually just ordered one of the limited edition shades from Chanel, as well as a gel top coat. So I like my higher end nail polish, but I am a firm believer that the top coat is everything. And I put a really bad top coat on this. So y'all forgive me. My nails will look nice next time. But yeah, so I picked these up. I think this is either like 10 or 14 bucks out of Target. So it's nice to get two, but like real talk, if I lose one, I've got a spare. I don't really care if it's for nails, toes, whatever. All right, so the rest of the stuff I just got out of Marshall's. I went to TJ Maxx originally. They didn't really have anything that I was looking for, but the rest of the stuff is like a mix of hair care and like gym fitness stuff. So I will start with the thing that's right in front of me. So I picked up some like, for my cat. All right, if you hear a bell, I've got a cat and she's lazy and likes to walk around the apartment. All right, yes, so these are cleansing wipes. These were $4 out of Marshall's. I intentionally picked a 2-pack. These are gonna go in my gym bag, so I've got a backup when I run out of them, and there are 30 wipes per, I guess, container. So I realized this morning when I finished my workout, like I don't like sweat on my face. I'm constantly blotting myself with a towel. I, until today, would like put water on my face right after the gym. And I, in other gym bags, have had like cleansing wipes just to get the sweat off my face until I get home, or if I have to go out, I'm not walking around with sweat. So I picked these up. These have coconut and kale in them, but one of the first ingredients, it also looks pretty natural. There is some fragrance as the last item. It's got water, glycerin, and chamomile as the first few ingredients. So I picked these up. I'm just, as long as I don't burn my face, they're fine. I just kind of needed some generic wipes. And then similar for my gym bag, I picked up this 3-pack of lip balm. All right, so a little thing about me. I like, in every one of my purses or bags or wherever, I like to keep a standard set of things. So a good chapstick, hand lotion. Each of my bags, I like to have like a set of things so I don't have to like pull it out of one purse and put it in another. So I picked up some more lip balms. I only had one. I had some lip oils. Anywho, these are all good. It's organic coconut lip balm. They were $5 and I got 3 of them. So I just needed some generic lip balm. Focus. I just needed some generic lip balm, and so I'll stick this in my gym bag, and then I've got 2 purses that I use, so I'll stick those in there. And then the next thing I got, I was gonna ask my mom, my parents live in Atlanta, I was gonna ask her to bring like hair, what is it called? It's not quite a shampoo, it's more of just like a rinse. I bought one at a beauty store down south and I liked it, so I was gonna ask her to like buy me 3 of them and bring them up here when I see her next week. But I decided that I was gonna try this instead. It is a apple cider vinegar conditioner. So I don't really use shampoos anymore if I can swing it. I like to use something that is like a little less harsh than a shampoo. I'm blanking on what the term is, but it's a very popular thing, a co-wash. So this is a conditioner. It has apple cider vinegar in it. The one thing I've realized though is that my hair is super, super dry right now. So I don't want to use something that's stripping. And I really don't use enough like chemically products that I really need to take a shampoo and like scrub in there. And I try and wash my hair twice a week. So this is a conditioner that has apple cider vinegar. I think it'll be good. Apple cider vinegar is good for helping to clarify your hair. So I'm gonna try it out. I do have a super old conditioner from Whole Foods that I need to throw out. So I'm gonna see how this goes for now. I'm wondering if this alone will be enough to kind of get my hair clean. It might not be. So I might have to pick up the shampoo that goes with it. And the last thing I got, I am all about cute stuff. Like, it just helps me feel good. I'm really into aesthetics, especially getting more into like athleisure and gym clothes. So I need to up the amount of protein shakes that I'm drinking every day. This will be like a whole other video if you guys want to know what's going on with like my weight loss surgery and just like diet. I've got a whole bunch of stuff going on behind the scenes. So one of the things that I'm gonna start doing actually this week is doing the elimination diet, and then also upping my protein in the form of shakes. So I had weight loss surgery. Long story short, it's really hard to like get in enough food every day, especially protein. And I've noticed that I'm not eating enough protein. And although protein shakes aren't ideal, they are a backup in case you're not able to eat enough solid food. So I've been using a beauty blender, like a shaker bottle. It was kind of like a water bottle to put my protein shakes in. Anywho, I wanted something cute. So I picked up this water bottle, and it was only 10 bucks, and it's just super cute, and it's 20 ounces. So I really like the pattern. I am going to put this on my Instagram at some point because it's definitely Instagrammable. But yeah, so I just like stuff that like looks nice and kind of fits the aesthetic that I'm going for, and I just thought this was really cool, so I picked it up. All right, so that is all the stuff that I bought. I'm really liking this foundation on camera. I didn't like color correct or anything, so you can still see all my hyperpigmentation, or some of it, not all of it. A little bit's peeking through. But yeah, check out that video if you want to see like what it looks like when I first put it on and all that, but I feel like it's settled really nicely into my skin. All right, guys, that is it. That is the video. Let me know in the comments if you like my candles, if you like my plants. Let me know if all that works for you. I'm trying to make it as like aesthetically pleasing. Like I said, I'm really into aesthetics. I try. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If there are any other like hauls or things you want to see, I've got a couple fashion videos that I need to film today. So I'm gonna give y'all a work haul, give you guys a loft haul, give you guys a sports haul. So I don't know when those things are gonna be up and in which order, but we'll figure it out. All right, guys, so until next time, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye.